Hello mga monami, nandito tayo sa fresh meat section. Oh, mga ano? So, dami. Pork chop. Belly. Fresh duck. Pato. Pato. Kakitan. Abalon. Tubo. Yeah.
Wow.
You get two.
Oh, but this one is open.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah. This
Yeah, I
one.
think so.
This one and that one.
One more.
Yes.
Which one? Yeah, it looks good. This one I prefer.
Yeah.
No, I prefer this.
Yeah.
Already open.
Me too. This is good.
Okay.
Ulo ng salmon. Ulo ng salmon. Oh. Shrimps.
Look sharp. Wow.
Fresh
The
shark.
last time I ate shark was like what? 25.
May shark din. Fresh salmon. Bell.
Naman kita.
Mga oysters, live prawns, mussel, taco, oh, tulya, oh, clam, oyster. Ito, Manila, ito daw ay Manila clam. Fresh imperial clam. At ito yung live BC crab. Oh. Crab. BC crab. Ano na? Sila sa akin. Live lobster. Oh my God, ang laki niyan, oh. Live king crab. Oh. Oh, live king crab. $62.88. Ito yung mga lobsters. Oh.